Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all will be fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we discuss about a history of Frere Hall in Karachi. So let's start the video. First of all, Frere Hall is the historical place in the Karachi. That is the building located in the heart of Karachi. Pakistan is part built in the during of British colonial period and mid of 19th century. It has since become a iconic landmark of the city. This is the historical Frere Hall is the date and 1863 when Sir Henry battled Edward Fair. It is the commissioner for your scene and you have the purpose of construction and public hall in Karachi. This is the idea was is created a space where the residents of the city could be come together and cultural to the education activities. This is the building was designed to the colonial Clare, Windsor and constructed by the British firm Burton and the company. It is completed in 1865 and named for the horror of the Sir Henry Frere. It has been played a circular role in the development of Karachi. This is the architect of Frere Hall and beautiful blend for the Gothic and the Renaissance for styles. This is the building features that is the central tower of four smaller towers and corner. This is the official court that is the entrance and to have the integrate of carving and the interior of decor of the stained glass windows. Integrate for the woodcraft and oriented plastic work. Over the years, Frere Hall is the saved menu purpose. Initially, that is used for your and public cultural. This is the educational event. Later, during the British Raj, it was be used for the town hall, and after independence, it became a headquarter of Karachi Municipal Corporation. In 1985, Frere Hall was declared in protection heritage of York by government of Pakistan. It has been a since heritage of several remotivation, presence and historical significance to ensure it is the longevity. Today, Frere Hall is the services of popular cultural center that is a symbol of Karachi rich history. This is the building of home several libraries and this is the glorious of exhibition halls. It is also a popular tourist destination with the visitors coming from all you have to the overall world and admire the stunning of architecture and learn about the fantastic history. In the conclusion, Frere Hall is a remarkable example of British colonial architecture in Pakistan. Its rich history is the stunning design for the iconic landmark and the city of Karachi. As the city of Karachi is the continues to grow and evaluate for your Frere Hall remains, it is the chronicle and testament for you have to the past beacon and in these features. Karachi is the center of 19th century garden. Frere Hall is one of the most iconic building in the Karachi. But despite of being the background in many TikTok videos, it is accessibility remains limited in the title Bean has done and keep its shape. Designed by the Harry Astley and Claire Winkers, the British Army officer who served in the India Company. Frere Hall is completed in 1865 and the Clifton areas named after Sir Henry Bradley Edward Frere. It is the administrator of Pakistan, South Asian and Sindh of province in 1850. It is the Frere Hall that is built for the local class form and but is the inspection of building. This is the British use for the architecture. Also use have to express how to they and wanted to growth. This is the empire. So want to have to the really wanted to have to the get over various areas that is wanted to show off their middle. This is the use of classical styles, Lyra, and you have it always have to the British at the time of local native was allowed to the even of enters. But now this is the colonial power of the long gone. Little of have been done by the site of a accessible and everyone that is significantly decide of your past and decades. Journalist and social activities Afia Islam. Islam is the recalled and has been visited Frere Hall in 1960. From a childhood, I know Frere Hall as the most of recognizable important landmark in the Karachi. As a child, I used for the visit my parents and siblings. Like in the Karachi, you have to play around for the gardens and exhibition for your halls. Local authorized are the doing for your best and markup for the historical accessible to the public as possible as this is the latest one ever to have to since Morza Wahab and Shahab become administrator of Karachi. There is the high of lot and changing of the Junaidullah and direction for your park is the Karachi Municipal Corporation to the above and new. 52 killed for the booming in the southwest Pakistan near to the gathering the market of Prophet birthday. It is the queen for the 25 years old, including the senior police officers That is the Kid Friday. This article booming for it is close, and this is the construction of